Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Learning Pharmacy with Dr. Radhika Bhaskar. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
In this presentation, we will discuss about soft gelatin capsules. Starting the presentation with the definition of soft gelatin capsule. Soft gelatin capsule is hermetically sealed one-piece capsule shell used to dispense a variety of liquids and solids. Capsule content can be of two types. First one is liquids and second one is solid. In case of liquids, all liquid for capsulation should be homogeneous and air-free. Preferably, they should flow by gravity at room temperature but not at temperature more than 35 degrees Celsius because sealing temperature of gelatin film is between 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. Preparation to be encapsulated should have pH between 2.5 and 7.5 because preparation that are more acidic in nature can cause hydrolysis and leakage of gelatin shell, whereas preparation those are more alkaline can cause tanning of the gelatin and ultimately affect the solubility of the shell. Now the encapsulated materials are covered in wide range of viscosity, but viscosity is not the sole criteria to be kept in mind. Along with viscosity, we need to see the rheological property of the material. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लिसरीन की जो विस्कोसिटी होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती. इट इज़ अबाउट 954 CP एट 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बट जो उसकी रिलॉजिकल प्रॉपर्टी है दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. दैट एक्चुअली कॉजेज द टैकीनेस बिकॉज ऑफ विच इट बाइंड्स टू द स्लाइड वॉल्व एंड पंप ऑफ द कैप्सूल फिलिंग मशीन. तो हमें दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज को ध्यान में रखना है, विस्कोसिटी भी और उसकी रिलॉजिकल प्रॉपर्टी भी. Combination of miscible liquids often used to produce desired physiological results such as increased or more rapid absorption of active ingredient and physicochemical results such as improved flow property or improved solubility. Water and miscible liquids are simplest to encapsulate and usually require little or no formulation. Now there are some restriction involved in the certain kind of liquids such as water miscible and volatile liquid cannot be the major constituent of capsules because they generally migrate from the encapsulated material to the hydrophilic gelatin shell and volatilize from its surface. Secondly, gelatin plasticizer जैसे कि आपकी ग्लिसरीन, प्रोपाइलिन ग्लाइकॉल, ये भी आपके मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स नहीं हो सकते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव देयर सॉफ्टनिंग इफेक्ट ऑन द जेलेटिन शेल, जिसकी वजह से आपका जेलेटिन शेल जो है वो हीट और ह्यूमिडिटी के लिए ज़्यादा ससेप्टेबल हो जाता है. थर्डली, वाटर और अल्कोहल को हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं बट एज अ को सॉल्वेंट इन माइनर अमाउंट. लास्टली, ऑयली इंग्रेडिएंट जैसे आपके वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स, मिनरल ऑयल्स, पॉलीथाइलिन ग्लाइकॉल, दे कैन बी यूज्ड बट एज अ solvent or as a suspending medium in case of suspensions. The second type of capsule content is solids. Solids that are not sufficiently soluble in liquids or in combinations of liquids are capsulated as suspensions. These solids should be 80 mesh or finer in particle size for their maximum homogeneity in suspension and making them capsulation equipment friendly. Now in case of suspension there are two kind of ingredient. First one is solid and second one is the liquid base. अब solid क्या रहेगा आपका? Solid will be your active ingredient or your drug, whereas base will be the other excipients. Okay? अब कितने amount of solid को हमें कितने amount of base में मिक्स करना है टू हैव अ सस्पेंशन, ये सब कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ टूल की रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है. तो in case of capsule, the kind of tool we use is called as base adsorption process. Now, what is this base adsorption? Number of grams of liquid base required to produce a capsulatable mixture when mixed with 1 gram of solid. मतलब 1 ग्राम ऑफ सॉलिड को हम कितने नंबर ऑफ ग्राम्स ऑफ लिक्विड बेस में मिक्स करें ताकि हमें कैप्सुलेटेबल मिक्सचर मिल पाए, ताकि हमारा जो सॉलिड है वो कंप्लीटली कवर हो जाए हमारे लिक्विड बेस में एंड इट लुक लाइक अ कैप्सुलेटेबल मिक्सचर. ये सब चीज़ जो है ये आपके सॉलिड इंग्रेडिएंट की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज पे डिपेंड करता है, जैसे कि सॉलिड का आपका पार्टिकल साइज कितना है, उसकी शेप कैसी है, इट्स फिजिकल स्टेट, डेंसिटी, मॉइस्चर कंटेंट एंड इट्स लायोफिलिक और हाइड्रोफिलिक नेचर. The practical procedure to determine base adsorption is weigh a definite amount, let's say 40 grams of solid in a 150 ml tiered beaker. In a separate 150 ml tiered beaker, place about 100 grams of liquid base. Now add small increments of base to the solid and stir after each addition with the help of a spatula till solid is thoroughly wetted and uniformly coated with the base. Continue to add liquid and stir till the mixture flows steadily through a spatula blade when held at 45-degree angle. Now this is the procedure to determine base adsorption. The formula for calculating base adsorption value is base adsorption is equal to the weight of the base upon weight of the solid. The capsulatable mixture is then milled and deaerated and specific gravity is determined. Base adsorption also helps in determining the minim per gram factor of solids. Now what is this minim per gram factor? It is the volume in minim that is occupied by 1 gram of solid plus the weight of liquid base required to make a capsulable mixture. This is the formula for calculating minim per gram factor of solid, where Ba plus S is the weight of base plus the gram of solid. W is the weight of mixture per cubic centimeter or 16.23 minim, that is V. Now lower the base adsorption of solid, higher will be the density of mixture and smaller will be the size of the capsule. Now studying about the manufacturing equipment for the soft gelatin capsules, the process which we are going to study here is the rotary dry process. This is the equipment used for the manufacturing of soft gelatin capsules. The process involves a gelatin tank. From the gelatin tank, the gelatin mask is fed by gravity to a metering device or a spreader box which spreads the gelatin over the air-cooled rotating drums. These drums are maintained at the temperature of 13 to 14 degrees Celsius. This is a tank which contains capsulatable material. From here, the material flows by gravity into the displacement pump or the product pump. The pump accurately meters the material through leads and wedges and into the gelatin ribbons between the die rollers. The bottom of the wedge contains a small orifice lined up with the die pocket of the die rolls. The capsule is half sealed when the pressure of the pump material forces the gelatin into the die pocket, where the capsule material is filled, shaped and hermetically sealed and cut from the gelatin ribbon. Immediately after manufacturing, the capsules are automatically conveyed through naphtha wash unit to remove mineral oil lubricant. After this, the washed capsules are subjected to infrared drying step, which removes 60 to 70% of water which is to be lost. There are certain quality control tests which are to be performed in case of soft gelatin capsule. The first one is the seal thickness and fill weight checks. Seal thickness is measured under microscope. Acceptable seal thickness is 1/2 to 2/3 of the ribbon thickness. Fill weights हम check करते हैं by weighing the whole fresh capsule. Then we slit open it and express the content. तो shell जो होता है उसको हम wash करते हैं using a suitable solvent and again reweigh the empty shell. By doing this process, we come to know about the fill weight of the capsule. Next test is the test for moisture content, which is done by using toluene distillation method and collecting the distillate over a period of 1 hour. Third test is the test for capsule size. The capsule diameter sorter passes the capsule within plus minus 0.020 inch of the theoretic diameter. Overfill, underfilled and foreign capsule are discarded. The last test is the test of the capsule color. The capsule color sorter discards the capsules whose color does not conform to the reference color standard of a particular product.
With this, we are end with our topic of discussion. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share my videos. Thank you.